everyone, welcome back to another episode of WebTech Tutorial. In today's video, I'll be helping you learn how to log out of Duolingo app on your mobile device. Keep watching the video till the end without skipping, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now let's get started. In order to log out of your Duolingo, simply tap open Duolingo application, and if you don't have an account yet, you can go and tap on Get Started right here. But if you do, you can tap on I already have an account. Make sure you're signed into your account. Since I'm not, let me go ahead and sign into my account first. While signing into your account, you'll need to enter your details in the text field displayed. Start by entering your username or your email address associated with the account. And move on to the next text field and type in a password for your account. Type in your password correct. You can double check your password by tapping on this eye icon in the right corner before moving on, and once you are sure you have typed in the correct one, tap on sign in and you'll be signed in to your Duolingo account. Now, if you want to log out of it, from the home screen, simply go to your profile by tapping on this profile picture at the bottom. Once you do that, this will open up your profile. Go to the upper right hand corner and tap on this gear icon, which is also called a settings icon, and you'll be able to see your profile. Scroll all the way down and there is a button that says sign out. Tap on that button and you have been logged out of your Duolingo application. If you want to log in back, you can simply go ahead and tap on your ID over here and you'll be logged in. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was in any way, you can go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.